Alright, final update today. As you can see, just put the speakers in. They're not hooked up or even screwed in. They're just sitting there. Just want to see how it looks. But that's all I'm gonna do today. As you can see, some people don't like the work, so he just come back home to help me clean up so he can get some Fortnite minutes on. That's all he wants to do, instead of help his daddy. But a few little light touches left. We got the other side done, and I have to say, man, it's coming along as far as the doors. But that's probably the most time-consuming thing. But you know what y'all think. Till the next time, Black Mamba build. This is part 3. Part 3. Yeah. All right. See, I can hear this over there. Stalling as usual. Grabs one thing, brings it all the way back across the yard instead of all that other stuff you see back there. Anyway, peace out. Like, subscribe, share.